guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you guys how I achieved this pink smoky eye, and also we do monthly giveaways on our channel, so if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, make sure you're subscribed, and then comment done in the comment section down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I did was prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and I just first apply it all over my eyelid with the applicator, and then I go in with a damp beauty sponge to blend that out, and then I go in with this brush and a little bit of translucent powder just to set my eyelid. For my brow bone highlight, I picked up my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13, and I'm using this really small lip brush by MODA, and I'll leave a link to buy this brush in the description box down below. I have a discount code with them if you want to use it. And then I went ahead and picked up my Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm just picking up the light pink salmon shade, and I'm just buffing this into my crease first with this brush, and then I pick up a fluffier brush just to diffuse the edges and just make sure that everything is nice and blended. Next, I'm picking up my Morphe Brushes 39A Dare to Create palette, and I'm picking up this shade right here called Create, and this is one of my favorite shades in that palette. So I'm using this angled brush to apply it precisely in my crease, and I am going above my natural crease. That way when my eye is open, you still see the shade and you still see that line of definition. So if you are a beginner and you're trying to do this step, you can definitely still apply this line while your eye is open, just to give you a better understanding of where you should be applying that line. But I just pretty much go in left and right motions, and then I'm grabbing this fluffier brush and I'm just going in left and right motions softly over that line, and it's just going to help us diffuse it but still keep that definition. Next, I'm picking up my Bobbi Brown concealer blending brush and some Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just applying this all over my lid, and I did cut the crease, and I really love using the Tarte Shape Tape for this step. Any concealer will work, but I like using a drier concealer, that way it doesn't really budge as much as a really creamy one. Next, I'm picking up my Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, and I'm picking up the Beat shade, and I was honestly shook by this eyeshadow. It's so pigmented. You can just see it work for itself, but it is one of the most metallic, bright champagne colors that I have ever used. I was really shocked when I used it. I wasn't expecting it to be that amazing, but I really love that shade all over the lid. And then I went ahead and picked up that Huda Beauty salmon color again, and I just started to pat that onto the outer corner, and I'm trying to do patting motions, that way I don't rub off any of that metallic eyeshadow. And then I went back into the berry shade from the Morphe Dare to Create, and I'm just packing this onto the outer corner just to add a little bit more definition, and then going back into the bigger fluffy brush and some more of that salmon shade to help us blend it out even more. Going back into the shade from the Morphe palette, I'm just picking up this really defined brush, and I'm just starting to smudge it onto my lash line, and I really love the smoky effect that this does. I've been pretty obsessed with doing that technique in my looks. And then I just picked up a pencil smudger brush just to help me blend out that line and just make the whole look a little bit more smoky. And then for lashes, I'm picking up my Shop Sofie Bella Jamaica lashes. These are one of my favorite lashes in our collection, and I'm not just saying that because it's my company. I genuinely love these lashes so much. So I'm just applying this onto my eye with some glue, and I believe I'm using the Duo glue, the one with the white and the green packaging, the one with a brush applicator. And then I went back into my Huda Beauty palette and that salmon shade, and I'm just starting to buff that onto my lower lash line. And then more closely I picked up the berry shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm just smudging that even closer to my lower lash line. And then for mascara, I picked up my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then for my inner tear duct, I just decided to pick up that Lunar Beauty palette again and just pat that beet shade all over my inner tear duct. And I absolutely loved the way that that eyeshadow looked on the inner corner. And the last step for this look is to apply some brow gel onto your brows. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's tutorial. Feel free to leave any recommendations in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!